start by a slew of orders in the main writ petition, and the order dated February 5, 2019 in the contempt petition, this court had sought to allay confrontation and clash between the Central Bureau of Investigation bracket open for short CBI bracket close, a central investigating agency, and the police force in the state of West Bengal bracket open for short WBSPF bracket close full stop. With regret, we acknowledge and accept that despite orders and words of advice, antagonism and acrimony has escalated and not ebbed, as is evident from the pleading and arguments addressed before us. Full stop. To avoid prolixity and as limited controversy arises for consideration, we are not referring the earlier orders for the purpose of the present judgment, albeit express our disappointment and dismay seeing the CBI and the WBSPF pitted and casting aspersions against each other and being embroiled in this feud. Full stop para. They have forgotten that the primary purpose and role of the police is to investigate crime, collect evidence and prosecute the offenders. Full stop. Situation is grim as both sides have hardened their stand and there is no administrative mechanism in place to avoid and resolve such conflicts between the two wings of the police force in the country. Full stop. At the receiving end are silently waiting lakhs of small town and rural investors who have been deprived and looted of their savings. Full stop. Keeping in view the magnitude, interstate ramifications, plight of investors, and need for swift and efficient investigation, this court had, YD judgment dated May 9, 2015 passed in writ petition under bracket civil number 401 of 2013, transferred the cheat fund scam cases registered in different police stations in the states of West Bengal and Odisha from the state police agencies to the CBI. Full stop para. This order had required that the state police agencies who were investigating these cases to provide fullest cooperation to the CBI, including assistance in terms of manpower and material, to enable them to conduct and complete the investigation expeditiously. Full stop. The CBI alleges non-cooperation and charges WBSPF with obfuscating the investigation by causing impediments and roadblocks with a view to protect big names and members oblique leaders of the ruling party in the state of West Bengal by the interim order dated 15th December 2017. This court was constrained to direct that the CBI officers shall not be called by the state police, that is WBSPF. Full stop. The CBI claims having substantial material implicating Mr. Rajiv Kumar, a senior officer of the Indian Public Service, and former Commissioner of Police, Kolkata, and the then Commissioner Bidanagar Commissionerate, of Connivance and